Yeah, hello, Miss Tonoya. This is your speaking part one test as we are practicing in the class. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. You need to answer it. Don't worry about making any mistakes.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to ask you questions about foods. What is your favorite food?
So first of all, I'm not a foodie person, but if I say about my preference, I will prefer non-veg food instead of vegetarian. So whenever I go outside and get a chance to eat something, I always prefer kachi. It is my favorite food, as I say.
Okay. Do you enjoy cooking?
I'm not cook very well, but I tried a little bit. My mom in my house, my mom always cook. But whenever I get free time, I go to kitchen and trying to help my mom.
Okay, as you mentioned that kachi is your favorite food.
Yeah.
Do you go to eat kachi outside or do you cook at home?
Yeah. No, I go outside because I already said that I'm not good at cooking. So there is a famous place in our area which is Kachi Dine. So whenever I get free time, I go Kachi Dine with my friends, and yeah, that's it.
What food is popular around your area?
I live in Gajipur, so in my area, jackfruit is very well food, as well as it is fruit also. So it is jackfruit is a well food in our area.
Okay. Over time, did your eating habit change?
Yeah, my eating habit have changed a lot before my childhood. When I was a child, I used to eat junk food as well as outside food like fuchka, jhalmuri. But nowadays, I am health conscious. I'm being health conscious nowadays. So I prefer homemade food. Most of the time, I eat homemade food, which is made by my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any food you dislike?
I dislike the veg food. I don't like veg food, vegetables. I don't know why, but vegetable is healthy for us, healthy food for us. We should have eat vegetable. Include vegetable food in our daily routine, but I don't like vegetable food. I don't know. It is not seems like tasty to me.
Not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Okay, very good. This was the end of your speaking test. Thank you for
Okay. Thank you, sir.